Hey everyone, so starting off on old braid out hair which had been blown about in the wind and rain, tied up in buns. It had been stretched in all different directions, so it was time to be tucked away. So to last out a few more days until wash day, here is what I did. To make it easier to get all my hair slicked back into a nice smooth bun, I always section my hair. I do this because I have a lot of hair and it's pretty much impossible for me to put my hair up into a slick style without working in sections. But also it is a lot more gentle on my hair, which minimizes breakage, which in turn helps with length retention. After splitting my hair, I used a spray bottle. This one is from BREAKAGE. I will link it in the description box. I used a spray bottle to dampen my hair very slightly, only applying the water to the root where I'm going to be brushing. Then I applied a leave-in conditioner. I used the Mielle pomegranate and honey leave-in because this was one of the products that I used to initially style the braid out, and I like to stick with the same products until I wash my hair. I applied the leave-in around the roots of that section, same place where the water was. The water and the leave-in help to soften the hair and give it a bit more slip so that it's easy and more gentle for me to slick back my hair with the brush. Then I gently use my denim brush to brush the roots flat and position my hair in the place where I want the ponytail to be. And I loosely secure that with a hairband. Then I do the exact same thing on all of the other sections, dampen the roots, apply the leave-in conditioner, brush it back into the position that I want it to be. Then I tie all my hair back into a loose bun, roughly where the real bun is going to be. Then I grab my gel to slick back my hair. This time I use the Cantu grapeseed gel, which I've been really loving lately to do my baby hairs and slick my hair back like this. I'm really interested to see what this is like for a wash and go. So if you do want me to try this out and film it, then comment below if you would like to see me use this Cantu gel for a wash and go. So I apply the gel and then I brush my hair back some more with the denim brush to get rid of any bumps and lumps. Then to smooth my hair back and get it nice and slick and shiny, I go in with a boar bristle brush. What are these brushes actually called? Because I hear people calling them hard brushes, but I grew up calling them soft brushes, so God knows what the actual name is. Let me know down below what you call them. Anyway, slicking back my hair like this before putting my hair into the real bun means that I don't have to pull my hair back super tight to get it flat because my hair has already been brushed back and already slicked back. So then I can just put my hair into a ponytail without having to pull it tight. Then I put my hair into the actual ponytail I'm going to use for the bun, again making sure that it's not too tight or not pulling on my edges. To create the bun, what I do is spread the hair all around the hairband and then kind of scoop and squeeze it up into one hand. Then to secure it in place, I loop a hairband around it. I loop it around twice to keep it in place. I then pull at the bun and shape it and twist it until I get the desired shape and size that I want. Finally, I like to style my baby hairs, nothing crazy, but I do like to do a few little swoops, and I use this brush from Primark to do that. Then I tie them down with a satin scarf and I pretty much leave this satin scarf on my head until the second that I'm leaving the house, just to keep everything in place. And then that is it. I'll probably get around 3 or 4 more days out of this style until my next wash day. What is your go-to style when you're trying to avoid wash day? Because I'm always trying to get an extra few days out of my wash day if I can. But I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you did. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.